How are motor control and learning determined at a cellular level? New motor patterns are learned through movements, interactions with rich sensory environments, and challenging experiencing that challenge a person to solve problems they encounter. The knowledge about motor control and motor learning shape our understanding of how individuals process from novice to skilled motor performance throughout the lifespan. What structure contribute to perception and how does perception contribute to the learning and control of motor skills? Procedural learning refers to the ability to rapidly improve the performance of our newly acquired skills, usually over multiple training sessions. It has been known for decisions and procedural learning can occur in both the perceptual and motor dominants 1 and 2, with the resulting improvement in the baseline performance as a particular skill lasting for likely periods of time. This difference for a particular learning have been studied across a wide range and discipline, and these investigations have improved our understanding of the process involved. What is kinesthesis? Kinesthesis is the perception of body movements. It involves being able to detect changes in body position and movements. You are using your kinetic sense whenever you are engaged in physical activities, such as walking, running, driving, dancing, swimming, and anything that requires body movement. What do visual systems control movements and how do they differ? The two visual stream is a dorsal and ventral visual stream. The ventral stream is believed to mainly subserve recognition and discrimination of visual shape and objects, whereas a dorsal stream has been primarily associated with visually guided reaching and grasping based on the moment-to-moment analysis of the spatial location, shape, and orientation of objects. What are the major structures of the brain contributing to the motor learning and control? Cerebrums and cereblums are the parts of the brain that help out in motor learning and control. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and its function are interpreting, touch, vision, and hearing as well as speech, reasoning, emotion, fine, and control of movement. How does central nervous system coordinate movements? The central nervous system coordinates movements through the uses of specialized cells called neurons. The neurons will send signals or message all your body. Neurons carry message from the brain via the spinal cord. There are different kinds of neurons that send different signals to your body, which include motor neurons that tells your muscle to move, sensory neurons that takes information from your sense and send signal to the brain. How are muscular contractions organized and controlled by the central nervous system? The muscular contractions, it can be controlled and organized by the central nervous system, being with the CNS generates a signal. The signal an impulse called an action potential that travels through a type of nerve cells called neurons. The neuromuscular junction is the name of the place where the motor neurons reaches muscle cell. That skeletal muscle tissue is composed of cells called muscle fibers So when the nervous system signal reaches the neuromuscular junction, a chemical message is released by the motor neuron.